Hello fans, followers, customers, I welcome you today from HPerformance in Germany. My name is Tobias Heffner and I'm the General Manager of HPerformance. We introduce you today our new TC800XT Ultimate Hybrid Story. Our new project will be a step-by-step project showing you what do you need to make 600, 700 and 800 horsepower with the TC800XT on your 2.5 TSI engine. Every step will show you what hardware do you need to go, for example, on a 600 horsepower stage. We then go on the dyno and then prove the numbers on the street. The second part of our project will be we increase the power from 600 to 700 horsepower. Again, show you what parts do you need, what is necessary for your build, and show you results on the dyno and 100 to 200 kilometers per hour on the street. The third, final stage will prove what is already around the world, that the TC800XT can handle up to 800 horsepower on alcohol-based fuels, and we will also document the power levels then on the street. We are very happy to present you this project and we are looking forward to go this journey together with you. We hope that you follow our project and in the next days you will see the first results of the 600 horsepower stage on the dyno and on the street. And after every project step you can have the 6, 7 and the 800 horsepower step in our shop available that can be sent all over the world. Thank you in advance. We hope to have you on board on our very interesting journey and maybe see you soon in one of our workshops. Thank you in advance. Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.